Hello friends, today we will discuss about converters. This is a very important topic in digital electronics. So let's start the video without wasting time. Converters is a combinational circuit which converts one form of data into another form of data. You can see the block diagram here. I have drawn one form of data. It may be in digital form or in analog form, which is converted into another form by using some steps. Here I have written the types of converters. One is digital to analog converter and second is analog to digital converter. Digital to analog converter is also known as DAC converter and analog to digital converter is also known as ADC converter. These are the main two types of converter which are mainly used in converter circuit. So first we will cover digital to analog converter and also see its types. So digital to analog converter is also known as DAC converter, which converts a digital input signal into an analog output signal. The digital signal is represented with a binary code, which is a combination of bits just like a 0 or 1. As we know that binary digit means 0 and 1. So this digital to analog converter will convert the 0 to 1 digits into analog output signal. So this is the general block diagram of a DAC converter where the input is digital, it means 0 and 1, and converted by using some steps in the output of analog form. So here you can see the types of digital to analog converters. It has two types. One is weighted resistor DAC and the second one is R2R ladder DAC. This weighted resistor DAC is also known as binary weighted resistor. In the next video we will learn about binary weighted resistor in details. In the second part is R2R ladder. So it is a common type of DAC converter and it is mainly used due to some disadvantage of binary weighted resistor. R2R ladder uses two types of resistor. One is R and the second value of resistance is 2R. So these two types of resistor are used in DAC converter and it is also in a ladder form. So here you can see some specifications of DAC converter which comes commonly in exams as a short question. So first specification is accuracy. Accuracy means the difference between the measured value and the ideal value of a DAC converter. Suppose your ideal value is 2.5 volt and you measured almost 2.4 volt, so that your converter is highly accurate. Then the second specification is resolution. Resolution means the smallest change that DAC can measure. Third one is sensitivity. Sensitivity means how fast the DAC is to produce the signal. There is another specification of DAC converter is settling time. It is the time required to being captured after measurement. So these are the main four specification of DAC converter. Now come to the second part, analog to digital converter. Analog to digital converter is also known as ADC converter. It converts an analog signal into a digital signal. The digital signal is represented with a binary code which is a combination of 0 and 1. Here it is the general block diagram of ADC converter. You can see that analog signals are used as input, where this is the ADC converter and it converts all the analog input signals into digital outputs. It is the combination of 0 and 1. So now see the types of ADC converter. Here I have written two types. One is direct type ADC and the second one is indirect type ADC. So there are some types of direct type ADC. One is counter type ADC. The second one is successive approximation type ADC. And the third one is flash type ADC. First two, counter and successive approximation type ADC, are very important, which we will discuss in the next video in a dedicated video. So please follow my channel to get all the videos. And there is a single type of indirect type ADC and it is dual slope ADC. So this is all are the basic information of converters, DAC and ADC in digital electronics. I hope you have understood. If you have any question, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching.